Howdy everyone. Today I'm very excited to review this product. It's Fuji Instax Mini 8 Polaroid camera. Since I was a kid, I was really excited for Polaroid cameras. I really wanted one, but I never had one. So today I have one of those cameras, and let's go ahead and open the box. Before I open the box, I actually measured the box. I had a comment before asking to measure the boxes because some guys are wondering how big the box is. So this box is 7.5 inches by 10.5 inches, and the height is 5.5 inches. So if you have a small mailbox, you may be interested in getting one of those Amazon lockers. It's free, and you can get this box or this package, any package actually from Amazon, shipped to any locker nearby you. Inside the box we have the camera itself, and I have also ordered this twin pack Fuji Instax film. Every roll of film has 10 shots or 10 images, 10 pictures, and the camera itself comes in many colors. I have selected the pink color. You can also order the white, raspberry, black, blue, or yellow. As you can see, the camera box says Fujifilm Instax Mini 8, and it says instant camera, pink color. On this side it says Fujifilm Instax Mini 8, and on this side many specs in English and other languages. And here you can see the end result. You can actually get this size images, and you can write on the bottom, at the bottom of the image, and that's really cool. And on this side you can see some specs as well. It says credit card size photo instant camera. So the photos coming out of this camera are going to be the same size of your credit card. Now let's open the box to see how the camera looks like inside. And that's the user guide or the manual. It's pretty straightforward, so I don't assume I will need any of these pamphlets. That's a lot of paperwork. And I have also got a strap, same color as the camera. So if you get the white color camera, you will get the white strap. If you get the blue camera, you will get the blue strap, etc. And it's a very nice gesture of Fuji. They have sent a pair of AA batteries to start using the camera immediately. And that's the empty box, nothing else is inside. Let's keep the box aside now. I've been waiting for a long time for this camera to go on sale. It's been a long time since this camera has been on sale. It was always between $70 to $80 plus $15 to $20 for the films. So it was around 100 or 100 and something plus tax. Now Amazon is running a promotion, so you can buy it for about $65, including the twin pack film, which is a pretty good deal. The price is still the same on Best Buy to my knowledge, so if you would like to buy the camera for the same price, I would recommend to buy it from Amazon. Again, the Amazon link should be in the comments section, in the description section, and it should be also on the screen you are watching right now. So this is the camera. To turn the camera on, you just have to press or push this button, and you get that light, the blinking light on the back of the camera that says the camera is on. To put the film inside, you have to press this down. That's what the camera looks like from inside. By the way, the film has expiration date. This film expires April 2018. And I did purchase this on July 2016. So this is the film. It says Fujifilm Instax Mini, and there is a yellow mark here to align it inside the camera, to know how to put the film inside the camera, and nothing else special about the film. Let's put the film inside the camera. So align the yellow dot with the yellow dot, and that's pretty easy. Close the door, and this camera has many shooting modes: indoors, cloudy, sunny, very sunny, and the last one is high key. Basically, if you are in a dark situation or low light situation, you can switch the camera to this mode, but I prefer indoors because I'm currently indoors. To take a picture, you will have to press this button on the front of the camera. The first picture when you put a new film is going to be a black picture, so it will not be an actual picture, it's just the film color. Let's do this. And as you can see, it's just a black sheet of plastic. Take this off, put this away, and the next picture is going to be the actual picture. Let's try this. So to take a picture, you will have to look through this viewfinder and make sure everything is in frame and snap the picture. After using the camera for a while, now I know what I like and what I don't like about this camera. So let's start with what I like about this Fuji Instax camera. First of all, it's a lightweight camera, super light camera. If you hold the camera in a trip, or if you are going with your friends for a party or anything like that, this camera will never tire your hand. It's very light. And the camera also takes stunning photos. As you can see, colors are nice and saturated enough for me, and the lens focal length, which is 60mm, is more than enough. It covers enough area for me. You can also take a selfie with the camera. If you hold the camera with your hand, you can take a selfie even if you have a couple more friends. In the selfie, the camera wide angle will cover this. The time this camera takes to generate the image, the final image, is about 60 seconds, which is not bad at all. This camera is built for usability. Basically, it will not give you a lot of options to be confused about. You will just have to press the button and the camera will take care of the rest for you. I would always recommend to use the shooting mode that the camera is recommending. So the camera now is recommending indoors. So if your camera is telling you to use indoors, you can actually override that by switching the mode to another icon. But the camera is asking you or recommending to use this specific mode based on the camera inside sensor. Keep in mind that if you use one of the other modes while the camera is recommending this mode, the camera will probably give you a bad result. So always follow the camera instructions, see which mode is highlighted or which mode is on, and put the camera on that mode. The twin pack film is about $15 from Amazon, which is the most affordable price I was able to find online. So basically, one picture will cost you about 75 cents, which is not bad. The good thing about this camera color, the pink color or the other colors, is basically the camera is not intimidating versus a DSLR camera. DSLR cameras are always intimidating. If you are taking the camera to a zoo or any public place or a party, someone will look at you and he will ask you, what are you doing? I don't want to be pictured. But this camera is really friendly, it looks nice, it looks like a toy camera basically. The camera is a perfect gift for someone you like or love. This camera is the best seller on Amazon, and that only tells a lot about this camera. I'm very satisfied with the camera so far, and what I don't like about the camera is the image quality could have been better. But if you would like better image quality, you can buy the higher end Instax camera from Fuji. You can open Amazon and search for Fuji Instax. You will see more than one model, but obviously they are more expensive than this camera. This is the base model for Instax. The flash is always on. You cannot turn this flash off. So if you would like to take a picture without the flash, you will have either to put your finger on the flash or to put some sort of a piece of tape on the flash. If you are taking a picture of a subject far away from you, you don't have actually to turn the flash off, because the flashlight will not reach that far building. The camera has a nice feature. On the back of the camera, you can actually see how many pictures left. This camera basically doesn't consume a lot of power. Since I got the camera, I used the batteries that came with the camera and they never depleted yet, and I have used 2 films, and I keep the camera on most of the time. So I don't know when they will deplete, but basically the camera is using almost no battery at all. For the final review, this camera takes 7 out of 10 in my opinion. Image quality takes 6, and the camera build quality takes 7, and the power consumption takes 9, usability takes 10, and I highly recommend this camera to anyone. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.